Are you ready to have your mind blown? Because the future is here, and it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Let's dive into amazing tech inventions that you won't believe actually exist. Number 1, display technology. Imagine a phone that wraps around your hand, or one you can fold like paper. That's flexible display technology for you, and it's already here. Number 2, Figure 01. Meet this humanoid robot that looks and acts like a human. It can chat with you and do tasks just like a person. Pretty cool, right? Number 3, Sixth Finger Project. Ever wished for an extra finger? This project is making that dream come true with an artificial finger you can actually use. Number 4, Samsung Galaxy Ring. This isn't just jewelry, it's a tiny health tracker that can monitor your movement, temperature, and even your heartbeat. Number 5, robotic contact lenses. Blink twice and see 32% better. That's what these lenses from the University of California can do. It's like superhero vision in real life. Number 6, Spacetop. Picture a laptop with a 100-inch virtual screen. Just pop on some special glasses and boom! Giant screen. Number 7, Bell Nexus Flying Taxi. Remember the flying cars in movies? This is making it real. Soon you might be hailing a ride in the sky. Number 8, BioRobot Refrigerator. Tired of noisy fridges? This uses a special gel to keep food cool without any electricity. How's that for eco-friendly? Number 9, LG OLED TVR. This rollable TV is like magic. Push a button and the screen rolls up into its base. No more bulky TVs taking up wall space. Number 10, Toody DNAmic XP4. This aircraft is bringing us closer to personal flying machines. It can take off and land anywhere. No runway needed. Number 11, 3D printed foods. It isn't just a fantasy anymore. Natural Machines has a printer that can make both sweet and savory dishes. Dinner at the push of a button. Number 12, exoskeletons. These aren't just for Iron Man, they're helping soldiers and people with disabilities do amazing things. Number 13, Cyberone. Say hello to this robot that can understand how you're feeling and even hear the world around it. It's like having a high-tech friend. Number 14, MyEye Pro. For those with vision problems, this is a game changer. It's a tiny device that can describe the world to you. Number 15, medical nanobots. Imagine tiny robots in your body, fixing you from the inside. That's what these could do in the future. Number 16, Smart Health Mirror. Your mirror might soon be your doctor. This smart mirror, developed by a Harvard MIT student, can spot health issues just by looking at your face. Number 17, Flux Snowshoe. Snowshoeing just got a lot cooler with this. It's sleek, it's light, and it folds up like origami. Number 18, Flying Whales Airship. This is like a giant eco-friendly blimp that can carry super heavy loads. It's perfect for moving big stuff without hurting the environment. Number 19, Giraffe Nap. Need a quick nap? This pod is like a personal sleep station. Just 20 minutes inside, and you're recharged and ready to go. Number 20, Speakerless TV. LG's new TV doesn't even need speakers. It uses special vibrations to create sound right from the screen. Talk about space saving. These inventions aren't just cool gadgets. They're changing how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Which one of these blew your mind the most? Maybe the idea of having a sixth finger, or the thought of tiny robots swimming around in your body? Whatever it is, one thing's for sure, the future is going to be an exciting place.